They see the Pasha. Bandits get right to do anything. Bandits get right to carry brandy, to carry GP, to carry anything they show. The worst part, make I tell you now. These uniform people, they know these bandits. They know their mama. They know their relative. They know their house. They know their family. Nothing will happen. But if now for South is here, now so then they rush come find you. Say you bring out one ordinary knockout. Then they rush. You go see where police, you go see where army, you go see where but uniform men, they rush to they find you. Because we keep quiet for them. You go see where they rush come find you. No be one Nigeria or they tell us. No be one Nigeria with they. Why our own go different? You go see where they go rush, they find you. Now make gonna go find bandit in our trouble. Now bandit full phone. When I see them, they do live video. They do different video. They never hide their face. And uniform, you no go tell me say you don't know them. You no go tell me son, I no go fit track them. Track us. If now for Southeast on I want track us. Now for here on I want trace the person friend. Even anybody will say good morning on I go arrest the person if now for this side. The relative on I go arrest them. But that side you know. Nobody on they tell us one Nigeria. My brother, everybody prepare. If you get tools, you get plier, you get hammer, you get screwdriver, prepare. Person need to die 2 times once. I am Mr. Death in my pocket. I dey carry and waka. Prepare. Make one dirty boy. We suppose when they do shoemaker, they waka for bush. No come by you. Make one dirty boy. When they bow for how many months? When they pursue cow. When they arrange cow for forest, for bush. They pursue cow. Go come by you. Good life. Beautiful life will God give you. Somebody go come take it from you. Life will God give you. One dirty boy saying they pursue cow. Same before I need this one. Same the bandit. Go come take your life from you. May God forbid. Instead my enemy go kill me, Nabi go kill him. Instead my enemy go eye me, Nabi go buy him. No gree make your enemy take your life. No gree make any bandit, kidnapper, and robber take your life. Mbamba. Instead, make you take the law to your hand. Take the law to your hand. Because if they take the law to their own hand by you, nothing will happen. Now English you go here. Now say ya sorry you now you go here. Nothing will happen. Instead, they will buy you, make you first buy them. Anybody who won't come buy you, any opportunity buy them. Anybody won't come remove you for this earth. This sweet country, this sweet earth where Nigeria, God carry give us this Nigeria, all mineral resources. No matter how our politicians they do us, this good life where you they breathe, the person don't know how God take give you life. The person don't know how God take bring you out. He won't come by you. He won't come remove from you, and you keep quiet. So God forbid, it is a haram. It is a very big haram. It is very big abomination. Where you go there,
because my mommy won't say the devil way you know it better pass the angel way you don't know. Ladies and gentlemen of the Nigerian Armed Forces, please make una stand up, arise. Something fishy is going down deeply. We will not know. May them let us know. If not to drop the color for them, we'll drop and we'll go back, go carry cutlass, protect our family. They still need us for our house. They love us. No be say person no need us, go just carry us, they count money for in pocket only. Why in children they abroad they go school. Our family I carry una children come put to when I carry una children come put for this work, make them do me, I don't tire. But waiting now, they keep us, I know they feel talk. Now stone will be having a firewood. I be now because they never touch una children. No while go reach now, I go touch una now. I go touch now. You go reach stage where everybody go stand up fight for himself. I come outside tell you this one boldly. May everybody ready to find color for himself.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's your boy Soldier Boy. Please, I have a very important message for Nigeria. Me, the way I lose my colleagues is getting to things where we say it dey comot tears for me, for my eye, day by day. In this country, we have 36 governors. We have like senator 109 senators. We get even the minister we have like almost 60. We have House of Representatives, Chairman of Local Government, 774. Let each one of them bring their son to join the Nigerian army. May they join the Nigerian army, not even the officer cadre. May they join the other rank. The other rank in Nigeria army. Let each of all those governors, all the senator, all those ministers, let them bring their son. May they join Nigeria army other rank. So that they can come and witness what we will not get people, what will they witness? Every day by day, this killing is too much. Person they lost, so we go they lost our colleagues ambush. You go lost colleagues, you go cry tire.
You to make on a wake up, no negotiation, terrorism, no negotiation with kidnapper, no negotiation with armed robber, no negotiation with bandit. Those people where they kill, where they commit crime, where they take life, where they buy people, no negotiation with them. Anyone where they kill, no negotiation, because if you go inside bush, go meet them, they go buy you where nobody there. Their boys go buy you, carry you go. Everybody know it, they happen steady. Even they go pay uniform people money to buy you. All of us know. So no negotiation with them. Anyway, we won't use fight them. Fire to fire. If they say na peace, we follow peace. If they say na by inside bush, we meet them inside there. If they say na war inside bush, we meet them inside there. Uniform people on know them with these people. Why we will leave this thing? Now innocent people on going to catch, they detain. DSS, why we go leave them? Now innocent people will arrest, they beat, they detain. Now activists like us on will find way to set us up. Now human rights activists, the freedom fighter like us, now will find way to frame up to set up. A warlord like Asabuja did that water. Man with death today in pocket. No one they find to buy, no one they find to set up to frame up. Man with death today in pocket. Because of waiting, so I talk true. Say I do waiting, I talk true. True to no good again for Nigeria. No negotiation with anybody where they buy people, no negotiation. Land grabbers, assassin, hire killer, kidnapper, no negotiation with them. No freedom with them. No peace with them. We can't give them peace. Anywhere where they want and we follow them. The DSS, the director of DSS, Federal, National say, protect yourself. Nigeria in our country. Make we protect Nigeria. Thank you very much. God bless everyone.